Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Marina from Zig and Sharko. So let's get started. To draw this cute mermaid, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across, about right here. And draw a curve and connect at the bottom. A nice big round curve. It's about center right here. Now I can go right back up. There. So nice round bottom of a U. Then let's come back to the side where you started and we're going to draw a big circle. So about right here towards the edge. Draw a big circle for her eye. And same thing right across. About right here. There. Now that my circle's in, I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now that her eyes in, let's come to the sides right here. I'm just going to add two small curves for some lashes. Nice and simple. And same thing over here. And now that I have that, let's give her a big smile. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve that slightly comes upwards and cap it off. From there, I'm going to start to draw her face, so the top part. So let's bring this up. And I'm just imagining an oval as I draw this. So let's bring this up a little bit more. And I'm going to curve it in slightly as if I'm creating this oval for the face. So from there, I'm going to come over here about this area and I'm going to draw a big curve. So right here, I'm just going to draw a big curve that comes over that curve you just created and bring it down. About right here, past the eye towards the center, about right there. And then from there, I'm going to come up towards this area right here and draw a big curve that comes right over her eye. So it's basically just going to touch her eye and come out all the way right here. So in the original character, this band of hair here actually covers most of her eye on one side, but to make it easier to draw, I'm just going to put it right on top. Then from there, let's see here, let's come back about right here, kind of like the center of her eye, and I'm going to draw a big curve. So this part is kind of like Ariel, right? Her hair. So we're going to bring this big curve out and bring it right back in to about right there. So we're just creating this gorgeous hair that she has. So then from there, let's come back about right here. We're going to work on a curve for her ear. And let's drag this point across about right here. And tuck in the ear as well. Bring this down a little bit lower. Okay, so then from there, let's imagine we're going to put about right here, her hair. Top. I'm going to give myself a point, and from there I'm going to round it off at the top and come down. And if you're using a pencil, just finish this curve all the way back to here. But I'm going to stop, so in this area I'm going to draw a little starfish right here at an angle. So you have these 5 points right here that connect right there at an angle, and I'm going to come in here. It's pretty silly, it has these 2 eyes, so just draw 2 circles and a dot inside. There. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish the hair. So just bring this through and down, and about right here, just curve it up and back in. There. Okay, so then from there, she has this strand. So right here, that's why I stopped right here. We're going to bring this curve down towards the starfish. And there's a different color band in this. So I'm just going to go ahead and just lightly draw this curve that comes all the way across. From there, let's draw her brow. I know something's missing, right? So let's come to the top about right here, and we're just going to draw a soft curve over her eye. There on one side. And that is pretty much it for her face. We're going to draw the rest of her hair later. Let's work on her body. So right here in the center, give her a little neck, and we're going to come down, slope it down a little bit for her shoulders. And down. Then we're going to imagine where her armpits would be. So say about right here and here. Just going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve that comes towards the center. So this is going to be her top right there. So just two big curves. From there, I'm going to round this part off for her top. Round it off and connect it. Little curve and then go up. There. And then right in the center, you can add a little line right here. And then let's come about right here. We're going to draw an angle line down. So we're going to give her a teeny tiny waist, angle line down. Then we're going to pop it out. So about right here, I'm going to pop out for her hip area. We're going to start to draw her tail. And so let's come about right here. I'm going to draw a curve a little bit deeper and towards the center, and then go back up. And if you like, you can come right here, just put a little dot for her belly button. And let's see here. So let's bring this down. And this. So we're going to go wider, and then we're going to taper down. So as I come down, I'm going to make the tail more this way. So just keep that in mind. Bring this down. And about right here is where it's going to be a little bit different. This side is going to come down this way. So kind of towards the center. And this side is going to curve a little bit that way. About right there. Then at the bottom right here is this little oval shape for her tail. So just connect it at the bottom at an angle. Then let's draw her tail. So I'm going to come up right here, kind of like her feet, right? And we're going to curve it out nice and big. Bring it right back down to here. So round it off and in. So same thing on the other side. Round it off and connect. There. And you can come in here some details, some lines, or you can do this when you're coloring. There. And for some details on her tail, if you like, you can come right here and just draw these curves for indication of scales right there. And so then now let's work on her arms. So let's bring this down. I'm just having it to her side, so much simpler, right? So let's bring this down, give a little curve, and then come outwards. So same thing here, just follow. We're going to bring it next to her hip, so it's easier to draw. And about right here, I'll just put in a little thumb. And we're going to start her fingers. So just curve and curve. There. And so same thing on the other side. Just bring it towards her hip. Give a little dip and then come out. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Draw her thumb and her fingers. There. A little bit more in right here and then out. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's finish her hair finally. So let's come back up right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve for one little strand and bring it all the way down with a big curve down. So same thing over here. So I just want to end same area on the other side, about right there. And in. And last but not least, I'm going to give her a little necklace right here. I know the original character doesn't have it, but it's my Draw So Cute Miranda, right? Marina, I mean. So I'm going to put a little heart right there and add some pearls right here to connect it. That way I have an excuse to add a heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love my version of Marina here from Zig and Sharko, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.